Leaked Galaxy Tab S7 press render shows off S Pen and keyboard cover. Samsung will unveil a bunch of new products including smartphones, tablets and wearables over the next few weeks. However, the design and feature of most of those devices have been leaked. After Sam Mobile have leaked the specification of Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus last week, the upcoming tablet first press render was leaked. Now, another images of the device have appeared on the internet. The newly leaked press render published by Blast gave us a closer look at the Galaxy Tab S7 S Pen and keyboard cover. The tablet appears to have 3 polygon pin connector on one side along with 2 indications for connecting the keyboard cover. The tablet has 2 speaker and USB Type-C port on the bottom, and we assume that there would be 2 more speakers on the opposite side for stereo audio. The keyboard cover for the Galaxy Tab S7 has dedicated row for number keys and trackpad. The S Pen appears to have changed its shape compared to the Galaxy Tab S6 S Pen. It seems to have a cylindrical shape rather than flattened one, making it easier to hold and use. We are not sure if this stylus brings additional features compared to last year's S Pen, but we can expect lower latency. The keyboard cover also features a kickstand for resting the tablet on flat surfaces. The Galaxy Tab S7 features the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor that was recently announced. It comes equipped with 6GB or 8GB RAM, 128GB or 256GB internal storage, and a micro SD card slot. The tablet supports 11-inch Super AMOLED screen with QHD Plus resolution, HDR10 Plus support, and the in-display fingerprint reader. The bundled S Pen features Bluetooth for advanced functionality. The upcoming tablet runs Android 10 with One UI 2.5 enhancement. The Galaxy Tab S7 has 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear and 8 megapixel front facing camera. It will be available in Wi-Fi only and LTE variants. The tablet will be powered by 7760 mAh for battery and support 15 watt of fast charging. The larger variant of the tablet, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, has 12.4-inch screen and 10,090 mAh of a battery with 45 watt of charging. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7? Will you buy Tab S7 or Tab S7 Plus? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.